Want to fix cookie run, kingdom stuck on the loading screen? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to your delicious kingdom. Let's dive in. First things first, getting stuck on the loading screen usually means a problem with your internet connection, the app's cache, or server-side issues. Now, let's start with the basics. Restart your device, phone or tablet. Power it off completely, wait for a few seconds, then power it back on. Also, restart your Wi-Fi router if you're on Wi-Fi. Next, ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa. A weak or unstable connection is a common culprit. You'll also want to update the Cookie Run Kingdom app to its latest version. Go to your device's App Store, Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for the game and install any available updates. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve stability. For Android users, clearing the app's cache and data can resolve issues caused by corrupted temporary files. Go to Settings greater than Apps greater than Cookie Run, Kingdom greater than Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Be aware that clearing data might require you to re-download in-game assets. Finally, check the official Cookie Run Kingdom social media or forums for any server maintenance or outage announcements. If it's a server-side issue, you'll simply have to wait. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Cookie Run Kingdom tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.